You know, it happened again. That's a digwydd eto. Every time after I finish doing the Fibonacci legacy part, don't do it in front of the new baby. Oh, poor Caridwen. Like, you died in front of the infant. Yeah, I would be as well, wasn't he, hefyd? Wing it. Timing. Oh my god, timing about him. Oh wow, okay, yeah, well, this is getting chaotic. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, you would have a fear of death. Cool, so it happens every time I say it. It's like, oh, hold on, I wonder if I can plead for the thingy. Did you call Hugo pleading for Chinos to see if we can have a bit more time? Don't do that. Don't do that. Come on, please. Just be like, hey, Grim Reaper, can you just like not? You got the infant. Look, Babby Bach. Come on. That's like a screenshot right there. Nope, she's gone. Okay, cool. Yay! So yeah, just as chaotic. Poor Caridwen, because that's traumatizing. Caridwen bach and then traumatizing. So yeah, I thought we could survive another for Crystal and Envis's wedding ar gyfer priodas Crystal a Envis, but unfortunately not. So gonna deal with this now. I'm gonna delio efo hyn wan. Cool. Diolch am gwylio. Thank you for watching. Keep safe, cadw'n saff.